In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively record a Google Slides presentation using a recording tool with a few added touches to make your video even more engaging. So, whether you're preparing a lecture, a business pitch, or a school project, these tips will help you create a polished and professional recording. First, you'll want to choose a reliable screen recorder. There are plenty of options out there, but for today's tutorial, we'll focus on using Screencastify. It's popular, easy to use, and integrates well with Chrome, making it a perfect choice for our needs. Now, let's get your presentation ready. Open your Google Slides and make sure it's in the Present or Presenter View mode. This setting ensures your audience sees only your slides, without any interruptions from notes or other open programs. Seeing just the slides keeps the focus right where you want it. Next, launch Screencastify or your preferred screen recorder. Here, you'll need to decide which part of your screen to capture. You can record your entire screen if you plan on switching between slides and other windows, or just capture the specific window of your Google Slides presentation for a cleaner look. Once you're set up, it's time to start the presentation and the recording simultaneously. This is where the magic happens. As you present your slides, feel free to narrate your content, just like you would in a live scenario. If using Screencastify, you'll find it simple to add audio narration and even webcam footage, allowing you to connect with your audience on a more personal level as you present. As you navigate through your slides, the screen recorder will diligently capture everything, ensuring that you don't miss any crucial points. Take your time here, and remember that clear and engaging delivery is key to keeping your viewers interested. When you're finished and ready to wrap up, use the screen recorder's controls to stop recording. Don't worry if you feel like bits and pieces didn't go as smoothly as planned. The editing features available in your screen recorder can be your best friend. With Screencastify, you have the option to trim unnecessary sections and make minor adjustments to enhance your final presentation. Last but not least, save your newly minted masterpiece in a format that suits your needs. Whether it's for uploading to a platform like YouTube, sharing with colleagues, or keeping in your personal archives, this simple yet effective process is now complete. And there you have it, a simple method to record your Google Slides presentation in a way that is informative, professional, and engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful for your next presentation project.